gonna be a good day. Do a little bit of work here at the house, get some food in. I'm gonna head downtown. See you there. What's happening, everybody? Now, I know what you're thinking, David. This is the second vlog in a row with actual workout content. It's crazy, I know. We're just gonna roll with it. But no, on a more serious note, this is part of me being accountable to you guys to make sure that I'm continuously delivering the content, the educational stuff, or the lifestyle stuff that I promise you guys, which is really what this channel is about. I know I haven't really done the face to camera talk of, hey, this is exactly what I want my channel to be about. This is, and you know, on a separate note, I probably should do that, and I will do that at some point soon. I just want to make sure that I'm actually kind of getting the practice of delivering this stuff to you guys. So today I'm just kind of talking over, I'd say about 80% of a back workout that I did. You're not going to see all the sets, all the reps or anything, but what you're seeing here kind of sped up is basically what movements I did. A lot of these just to kind of, well, the first few rather, to just kind of warm the muscle up, get things firing properly, and then I moved into 4 movements, 2 of which I didn't get to record rather, so you won't see them on here. But I guess I kind of just wanted to ask you guys what you want to see more of. Are you more interested in the nutrition side, like going into detail on how I count my macros, what my food choices are, why I choose the foods that I choose? Are you more interested in the training side of it? How to get bigger biceps, or how to, you know, cheesy stuff like the best way to build a back. I guess it doesn't really have to be cheesy, because that's really what the channel is supposed to be about, is about lifestyle, it's nutrition, it's fitness, everything that kind of encompasses the lifestyle that I live while I'm doing my training, my teaching, all that. So whatever you want to see more of, just be sure to put that in the comments, and I promise you I will address those things in future vlogs. Hey guys, workout is done, and I'm at a place called Farm Fresh right now that I hadn't been to, and I'm right in front of the glass here, and it's super bright, so that's me. Looks pretty damn good, not gonna lie. They gave me extra, I don't like tomatoes really, so they gave me some extra chili sweet potatoes that I'm gonna dump on here. It's actually called Modern Market. Farm to table, like supposed to be super fresh. And I'm gonna give, now I had the chicken, smoky chicken bowl with extra, as you saw, extra sweet potatoes. I'm gonna give it like, it was pretty good. Chicken was a little bit dry, so I'm gonna give it like a 7.5, 7 or a 7.5 out of 10, maybe 8. I don't know. It was right after a workout, so sometimes that skews the rating on that one. But about to head home, and I love being downtown. I never want to leave downtown, and it's rush hour, so I'm gonna be sitting in traffic, wishing I was still hanging out downtown. On a completely separate note, this song, get at me.